Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage. Today we're working on the turn mugger. About got this boat anchor about ready to come out. I'm gonna put it out there for you guys to choose between a small block Chevy and a mystery motor. You guys pretty much all wanted to go with the small block Chevy. I'll show you kind of what we're working with. We can go with this motor right here. It's an old it's a 400. Built it for something a long time ago and put it in there, and then my buddy wanted his car back, so I sold it back to him and pulled the motor out. And then we got this I think it's a 360 small block. It's got a solid lift cam and it's got a little bit of a compression piston. I think it's like 12.5 to 1 motor. I don't really remember a ton about it. It's something that been around forever and just always kind of sat idle. And then over here, this is the motor I hope you guys don't choose, just because I don't want to dig it out. It's a 383. It's buried up pretty good. It's just a steel motor, or steel headed 383. It's basically a 100% kind of street motor. I don't think it's got very much compression at all. It's got a small hydraulic cam in it. But I told you guys I'd give you 3 options. Popular vote by tomorrow at 4 o'clock. We'll go with it. And then we'll get it stuck back down in the budget beater. This thing's been kicking our butt lately. And then my secret weapon, he had to go back to Florida for a couple weeks. So I'm going to be lone wolfing it for a little bit. But we'll get it taken care of. We got us a transmission, a power glide with a brake. We should be good back on that front. Got it taken care of. And then you guys let me know which motor you want to go with. We also got some new to us tires. I'm glad we got these. The little 26s we've been running. They're a major pain. We got to put air in them in between every single pass. And that's it's no fun. So I got these off the grudge racer up the street. Did me a solid. These are 28 inches tall. He said they got about 10 passes or so on them. I think they'll do us just fine. It's a little bit taller than what we had, but I think we'll be all right. Okay guys, got the motor out of there. The ball is now in your court. Let me know what y'all want to put in there. Looks like a crime scene in here with all the leaky fluids and everything. We're going to get this thing on the engine stand, pull it apart, kind of see what's going on with it. I have a really good idea what's going on with it. Not 100% sure, but I was kind of talking to the guy I got the motor from, and I think I know what's going on with it. So we'll investigate that, see what's going on, and we'll put the motor in that you guys choose. We'll throw it in there with this little tranny right here, and see if we can achieve our goal. It's taco time. I'll catch y'all later.